In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a smooth zoom transition in Premiere Pro. Let's get straight into it. So you want to start off by adding an adjustment layer, making sure that the settings are the same as your compositions. You then want to drag this on the timeline over the two clips. You then want to go to the effects panel and search for transform. You then want to drag this onto your adjustment layer. You now want to make sure that your playhead is in the middle of the two clips. You want to scroll down here and you want to uncheck this checkbox. And you want to make the shutter angle the maximum, which is 360. You then want to make the scale 300 and add a keyframe. You then want to shift 5 keyframes to the left and make the scale 100, so you can just press reset parameter. You then want to go back to the middle keyframe and then shift 5 keyframes to the right. You then want to make it 100 again. Once you've done this, you want to zoom in by using these two bars here, and you want to hover over the first keyframe and press ease out. You then want to hover over the third keyframe and make it ease in. You then want to press this drop down here and focus on the second graph, so you can expand the graph by just holding and dragging down. You want to hover over this keyframe here and you'll see a handle appear. You want to pull it to the right to kind of create a straight line. You then want to hover over this keyframe here and pull the handle to the left, which will also create another straight line. And then you will see you will have your zoom transition effect. So that is it for the video. I hope you found value in this one, and I will see you in the next video.